Hello again, Tom from Every Step Calculus, everystepphysics.com. This is another Taylor series problem. We're going to find the coefficients as indicated in this problem here. Index 8 to get to my main menu. I'm going to go up with the cursor to go to the bottom of the alphabet to get to the T section where they have Taylor and Maclaurin. Okay. Let's keep going one by one here. There it is, Taylor. And we're going to do the coefficients. Number 1, I'll unhighlight it so you can see C1, C2, C3 coefficients, which is number 1. And press the numbers or scroll to it. The nth Taylor coefficient of the function f centered at x equals a is known to be Cn equals f of n times a divided by n factorial, where f and n is the nth derivative of f. All right. I'm going to enter the function. Press alpha first in my programs. And the function is e to the x at minus a minus 2. So we're going to press here and the yellow button and then the X to get to the E. I'm going to choose X, close off the parentheses. I'm going to press alpha, what is it, minus 2. Show you what you've entered. You can change it. If you made a mistake, I say it's okay. The first derivatives are this with e to the x, okay, they're all the same. And now we're going to compute it with minus 2 because we're going to have f equals x, so f of x equals f of a, and f of a equals f of minus 2. So we're going to put minus 2 in here, compute that. Here's the answers. Now we're going to do the each coefficient. Here's the formula, f of n times a divided by factorials. So we did that for 0. Here's 0 factorials. Answer is minus 2 e to the minus 2. C1 is this answer using the formula for the coefficients, which is this. And as we do each one of them, 3 and 4 and 5. So we've done that one. New problem. Let's do the coefficients again, okay? I'm going to put in the function alpha second y is sine of x. Close off the parentheses, and the a is equal to alpha second pi divided by 2. Looks okay to me. Does it look good to you? Okay. Here's the first 5 derivatives. And we're going to compute that with a equals x with pi over 2. Pi over 2, and here's what the answers are. We're going to put it in the formula for each one. F of n equals a divided by the factorials. So c of at 0 is pi over 2. C at 1 is replace all this into the formula is 0. C2 is minus pi over 4. C3 is 0. C4 is pi over 48. C5 is 0. So you've got an A on this section in your test or homework. So think about going to my site, buy my programs. I've studied a lot for you to help you out, and of course I'll help you out with calculus all I can. You can call me on the phone or email me with problems, your test problems. I'll show you how to do them with my programs. I'm all for helping you pass pathetic calculus, which solves nothing useful, okay? That's me studying it every single day programming for 30 years on this stuff, okay? And I found nothing useful that calculus solves. So it's a waste of time. Don't waste your time. Buy my programs and pass calculus. Hey, have a good one. Subscribe if you feel like it too, huh?